Hello folks, here we have a Smith Corona standard typewriter and it's fully functional. This has been professionally serviced by Able Office Machines here in Texas, and Ray is a second generation typewriter repair person. And then also the body's been powder coated. The good thing about the powder coating here is that it lasts, in my opinion, it's better than paint. And it's also been powder coated on the inside and the outside as well. This is the original paint right here that you see, and everything else has been powder coated. It's Monaco gold, almost like bronze. It's a base layer of super chrome, and then there's a layer of gold above that. This gold turned out looking a little bit like bronze to me. The paper rest is gold right here, and it's faded just a tiny bit. We can see a little bit of the super chrome beneath it, but it's a beautiful gold finish here. So you've got basically a 4-tone typewriter. You got the black, the red, the Monaco gold, and then the gold in the back as well. Typewriter is fully functional. I can go over some of the features. Right here is the release lever for your carriage to put the paper in or take it out. This is the lever here that opens up the paper bale. These are the feet that hold the paper down. Your space bar is right here. Your selector is right here for line spacing. Your ribbon color selector, the middle one is for stencil, which nobody uses anymore, but you have a top one and a bottom one for the black and the red. And then when your ribbon gets to the end, you have plenty of life left in that ribbon. You just have to hit this little lever here and it'll change the direction of the ribbon. And for this typewriter I used, because I like it much better than nylon, I used silk ribbon. It costs more, but they do last longer, and they give you a better print. So I wanted to include that with this typewriter. Feet on this machine are new, so they're nice and grippy. Typewriter's been cleaned on the inside very well, and you can see where the right here where the powder coating was done on the inside of the frame as well as the outside, which is different than you get sometimes when people spray paint a machine. This one here is going to last. So what we'll do now is we'll just put some paper in and do a little type sample. All right, let's put our paper in. Let's see if I can do this with the camera in front of me. So let's try this. So here it is. The font's going to be Elite, so you'll be able to get more words to a page with that font. And move it over just a little bit more here. Okay, here we go. Let's type something different here. Okay, so here it is, nice and crisp, nice and dark. I love that silk ribbon. It's so much better, in my opinion, than nylon. So hopefully you guys will at least take a look at it on eBay. I'm going to post this one for sale, and we'll see how it goes. Happy holidays.